String slicing in Python allows precise extraction of substrings using indices. By specifying start, stop, and step parameters, you can manipulate strings efficiently. This technique is essential for data parsing and text processing, enabling elegant solutions to complex problems. Strings in Python are sequences of characters, including letters, numbers, symbols, and spaces. They are immutable, meaning once created, they cannot be altered. Python uses zero-based indexing, where the first character is at index 0. Understanding these fundamentals is crucial for mastering string slicing and manipulation techniques. In Python, a string is a sequence of characters, including letters, numbers, symbols, and spaces, each with a specific position. Strings are immutable, meaning any modification results in a new string, leaving the original unchanged. Python uses zero-based indexing, so the first character is at index 0, the second at index 1, and so forth. String slicing in Python uses the syntax string open bracket, start colon, end colon, step close bracket to extract substrings. This method employs bracket notation and index ranges, creating a new string without altering the original. Slicing offers a clear, efficient way to obtain substrings, enhancing code readability and eliminating the need for complex loops or functions. Basic string slicing syntax involves specifying a start index, an end index, and an optional step value. The start index marks where slicing begins, while the end index indicates where it stops, excluding the character at this position. The step value determines the interval between characters, allowing precise control over substring extraction. The slice syntax in Python involves 3 parameters: the start index, end index, and step value. The start index is inclusive, defaulting to 0 if omitted. The end index is exclusive, defaulting to the string's length. The step value determines the interval between characters, defaulting to 1. Mastering these parameters allows precise string manipulation. To extract hello from hello Python, use slicing, S0 to 5. This starts at index 0 and stops before index 5, capturing H, E, L, L, O. The character at index 5, the comma, is excluded as the end index is non-inclusive. Omitting indices in slicing offers flexibility. Using S captures from the start to index 5, yielding hello. S7 slices from index 7 to the end, resulting in Python. S copies the entire string hello Python. This technique enhances code maintainability, especially with variable string lengths. Negative indices offer a powerful way to access string elements from the end. For example, in Python, using s-4 retrieves thon. This method simplifies accessing end-based positions without calculating string length. The last character is -1. The second to last is -2, enhancing code efficiency and readability. Negative indexing allows accessing string elements from the end. For example, in Python, S4 gives thon. The last character is indexed as -1, the second to last as -2, simplifying end-based operations without manual length calculations. Negative indexing allows efficient string manipulation. For instance, s-4 extracts the last 4 characters, yielding LMNO. Using s:3 retrieves all but the last 3 characters, resulting in a BCDEFGHIJKL. Additionally, S5-2 slices from the 5th last to the 3rd last character, producing KLM. The step parameter in slicing allows for skipping characters in a sequence. For example, with S equals ABCDefG, using S:2 selects every second character, resulting in achegi. This technique is useful for efficiently accessing specific elements within a string or list, enhancing data manipulation capabilities. The step parameter in slicing, denoted as S:*end:*step, allows skipping characters in a string. For instance, S:2 selects every second character, resulting in achegi from ABCDefG. This technique efficiently extracts patterns by controlling the interval between characters. enhancing string manipulation capabilities. Reversing a string in Python is elegantly achieved using slicing with a negative step of -1. This method is efficient, requiring no loops, and is highly readable. For example, Python becomes naughty p when reversed. The negative step instructs Python to traverse the string from end to start. Extracting substrings is crucial for data parsing. For instance, in product IDs like ADB324, the first three characters ADB can denote the category. This technique is vital in inventory systems for automatic categorization, log analysis for extracting timestamps or error codes, and data validation to ensure format compliance by checking specific character positions. Extracting substrings is crucial for data parsing. For instance, in product IDs like ADB324, the first three characters ADB denote the category. This technique aids inventory systems in categorizing products, log analysis in extracting timestamps or error codes, and data validation by verifying format compliance through specific character positions. Advanced slicing combines start, end, and step values for precision. Using S equals abcdefgiclum no, -8 starts at H, -1 ends before O, and step 2 selects every second character, resulting in gicm. This technique showcases the power of negative indices and custom steps for targeted substring extraction. The Python console is ideal for experimenting with string slicing. It offers immediate feedback, allowing you to test edge cases and boundary conditions. For instance, 0:5 extracts hello, 7: gives world, and /:1 reverses the string to a del row w only h. These patterns enhance understanding through hands-on practice. String slicing in Python has nuances that can trip up beginners. Remember, the end index is exclusive, so S0-5 includes indices 0-4. Negative indices simplify end-based slicing, and a negative step like 1 reverses strings. Slicing handles out-of-range indices gracefully, returning an empty string or partial slice without errors. Mastering string slicing is crucial for efficient text manipulation, data cleaning, and parsing. It enhances code readability and simplifies complex tasks. Regular practice with slicing not only refines your skills, but also lays the groundwork for advanced Python programming. Embrace slicing to unlock powerful text handling capabilities.